What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I trade futures, the setup I have, talk about the funded accounts I use. But before we get started, as always, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. As you can see here, I have SPY and ES pulled up. Typically on another screen, I'm watching the SPX as well. If you can get a level to line up on all three of them, that's the ideal setup. Now, I'm not here so much to talk about my strategy I'm using as to show you my setup. A lot of you know I use ApexTrader funding. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested in that. But the platform they provide or want you to use is NinjaTrader. They have all that on their website. They have an order, you have to set it up. Let me show you how I do that. First off, I do not like NinjaTrader chart. Okay, I prefer to use my Thinkorswim charts. In my opinion, these are the best free charts available. I honestly do not see a reason to buy charts or pay for a charting platform if you have access to Thinkorswim. Okay, so you see what I'm watching chart-wise. I like to watch the 5-minute. Some people prefer one. Some people prefer the 3-minute. Me personally, I watch the 5-minute more than I do anything. So I'm watching Thinkorswim charts, and this is how I trade the futures. As you can see here, this is a platform that allows you to trade futures easy, offered by NinjaTrader. I really like this. Think of it as an active trader for those that are familiar with this. So if I want to trade ES, make sure you have it here. Make sure you have whatever account you're trading here, your quantity. So, if we're going long 3 or short 3, be sure you have that selected here. You can buy market here or sell market here. If you need to close your position, click here to close you out of whatever position you're in. If you want to reverse, say you're long and you want to switch to short, you simply click reverse. Super Dom is what it's called. We'll call it Active Trader. It's really simple Active Trader to use. It'll show your P&L here. You can click on this, switch it from points to actually showing you how much you're up or down money-wise. If you're interested in having a strategy, you can do that here. What it does, it sets a stop loss and a price target automatically for you. You can play around with that, create your own. Take your spare time, learn, become familiar with this. Now, what ApexTrader funding is, it's a company that allows you to trade with their own money. You're not liable for their money. Worst case scenario, they take take it back away from you if you fail. There's a certain drawdown you get. You can pass these in a little 7 days. You just have to hit the profit target before you hit the maximum drawdown. They have videos that walk you through that. Really simple stuff. So again, I'll leave the link in the description, or you can go to grizzlytrades.com. And that's all I have for this video. I hope you all are having a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.